What's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Taste of Asian Food. I'm Katie Kwan, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to make the Chinese style spicy beef noodle soup. And this is quite a simple, straightforward recipe. The beef can be put onto the noodles, whereas I'm going to show you, but you can always put it onto a bed of white rice if you prefer. And also, if you want to make it less spicy, by all means omit the dry chili and use less chili oil. So without further delay, let's get started. Begins by cutting the beef into large chunks, about 500 grams each. Then get a pot of hot water, add some green onions, ginger, and some rice wine. Place the beef into the water. Bring it to a boil again, and then let it continue boiling for another 5 minutes. This step helps to remove the blood and the impurities and the debris from the beef. After 5 minutes, remove the beef. I'll then discard this liquid and then cut the beef into large pieces about 1 to 1.5 inches. You will notice that now the beef is still raw inside, but it doesn't matter because we will cook the beef again in the next step. Now add some oil to the pan or a wok and heat it up to low heat. I'm going to saute these ingredients with the oil. These spices are fennel seeds, ginger, green onions, some dry chili that I have cut into half, cinnamon, and star anise. First, the ginger and green onions. When they start to turn aromatic, then followed by the remaining spices. It has to be over low heat by now, so to make sure that the spices do not get burned. When the spices have turned aromatic, then now I'll return the beef back to the pan. And continue stir fry. At this stage, you can add some caramel to improve the color of the beef, but since I do not have caramel today, I'm going to use some dark soy sauce for the same purpose. Also, I prefer to add some rice wine. When the beef is thoroughly mixed with the dark soy sauce or the caramel, then I will transfer it to the pressure cooker. If you do not have a pressure cooker, you can certainly do the same over the stove top. Add some water to let the pressure cooker to do its job until the beef is soft and tender. Heat some oil in the pan or a wok again and saute the following ingredients until aromatic. The Sichuan chili oil, the Sichuan hot pot soup base, and the chili bean paste. It has to be over low heat, especially the chili bean paste can burn quickly. When it turns aromatic, it's the time to return the stewed beef back to the pan. The beef is tender and soft now. Let's return the beef to the pan and mix with the spices. Remove the ginger and the green onion. And then bring it to a boil. Since today I'm making a beef noodle soup, I will add some more water. You can also use this beef to serve over a bit of white rice. So in that case, you want the flavor to be more intense and you do need to add the extra water. Do a taste test. I'll balance the flavor with some additional light soy sauce. Once it returns to a boil again, it is ready. Now cook the noodles. I'll cook the noodles according to the packaging instruction. It will take about 4 minutes for this yangchun mian. The noodles are ready, and then I'll transfer it to a serving bowl. Place the beef on top of the noodles. Add some vegetables and garnish with some coriander leaves. I'm just showing you how to make the Chinese style spicy beef noodles, and I hope you love it. As I said, you can use it for the noodles, or if you want to put it onto the noodles, you can put it onto a bit of white rice. And I have included the recipe in the description below the video, so you can refer to the recipe or you can download the recipe from my blog post. And I will also include the link to the blog post in the description below the video. And please subscribe, tap the notification bell and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.